the game-changing Black Friday deal for diesel injection services. Alex and Mark are two mates, both diesel fuel injection specialists, who are not in direct competition because serving two different geographical areas. Alex is so enthusiastic to have discovered a sensational deal available for the 2024 Black Friday only.
Hey Mark, do you have a minute? I just came across something sensational. I mean, this is a game changer.
Whoa, Alex, calm down. What are you on about now?
It's this crazy Black Friday deal on the ERT45R system. I'm telling you, it's irresistible. You've got to check it out, mate. This thing will blow the lid off how we run our workshops.
ERT45R? I've heard whispers about it. Isn't that the system that can test nearly every electronically controlled diesel pump out there?
Exactly. Not just the common rail stuff, but even the earlier tech. Remember the Bosch VE pumps with the electronic regulator? The ones people think are obsolete, but suddenly everyone wants serviced?
Oh man, don't remind me. The VE pumps are a nightmare. I've had to reject so many jobs because I didn't have the right equipment.
Same here. But listen to this. The ERT45R doesn't even need to be tied to a specific test bench. It's independent. You could dig out something as old as the Bosch Model 615, get it dusted off, and use it to test those VE pumps again. It's like giving your old equipment new life. No way, that sounds too good to be true. I thought so too, but it's legit. And that's not all. Imagine finally tackling VP44 pumps in-house. How long have we been sending those off to official dealers? Customers get impatient, we make barely anything after their fees. It's brutal.
You're telling me the ERT45R can handle VP44 and VR32?
Spot on. We'll finally pocket all the profit ourselves. But wait, there's more. Industrial equipment. You know the common rail pumps for Caterpillar C6, 6 and C4, 4 engines?
Yeah, I've had inquiries about those, but I've always been hesitant. It's such a niche area.
Niche, sure, but lucrative. The businesses running that equipment are willing to pay way more than your average car owner. If I can snag this deal and get into that market, I could finally afford an actual holiday. A long one. My wife's always on my case, and honestly, I'd love more time with the kids.
Sounds like you've really thought this through. What's the deal then?
Here's the kicker. Purchase 3 programming kits alongside the ERT45R control unit. You'll receive a massive 90% discount on the control unit itself. Yes, you heard that right, 90% off? It's only available at www.injectionpower.com/BF2024. Can you please check it out and confirm I'm not dreaming? I've got to move fast if I'm going for it. It seems there is even more.
All right, I'll take a look now. What's the rush though?
Time's limited, Mark. If I decide to buy it, I need to get the bank transfer sorted as soon as possible. If they accept online payment, even better. It's simple, quick, and done. I can't miss this, mate. I need to shift gears, and even if I can look at other Black Friday deals, honestly, I'd hate to miss this opportunity to transform my workshop once and for all.
Okay. You've sold me on checking it out. Give me a second.
Cheers, mate. Once it's done, it's done. No limits in the workshop, no more turning jobs away, and hello, next summer's holiday.
All right, Alex, I'm on it. Give me a nudge in 5 minutes if I'm not back with an answer.